So we came, Happy New Year. We came to the Wahiawa Botanical Gardens. We never been here before.
Which way are we going?
I don't know, you tell me.
That way looks easier.
That way looks easier, alright. Would you like some Swiss cheese? Ew, fucking kidding me. Oh hell no. Oh hell, run away! There's red ants! Got an update. We don't know where we're going.
And we don't know where we are.
And we don't know where we are. We can't even find ourselves on the map. She said, this way looks easier. Yeah? Well, caution, it's not. Why does it smell like piss? I just want to know that. She likes this nature stuff. I did not like that off trail though. Oh, I'm not a bug person. You guys saw me freak out about the damn mosquito in my ear. Catching the Instagrammer Instagramming.
The bee keeps running away.
Because it doesn't want to be filmed by you. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. What was our thing today? We came to the Botanical Gardens to have a little bit of taste of nature. You know, everybody loves nature. It was her pick, right? She picked Botanical Gardens today. Look at her. She's just too focused on that tiny little thing. She even said, okay, we can go. We've been standing here for 10 minutes just trying to capture a bee.
Such an overexaggeration.
She's trying to capture a bee. She's trying to... Okay. I'm sure I got it. If I got the bee, I'm gonna show it now. Did you have fun? Yeah. Me too. That was a nice little nature walk.
Mm-hmm.